So yeah, I've got two. One is firework night related, and that's going to be the second one. I'll close with that. This first one is called Plastic in the Palm of a Hand. Maybe I was once full. Maybe I still am. But certainly not of the same stuff up till you dry out, cry inside. But why? When you can always let the viscous rivers of creativity flow, spilling subtly, or as an obnoxious throwaway with sudden urge to go and dream. Welcome the stoic stow of emotion, seen blurring, motion seamless, erring, devotion, weakness, uniqueness, complete mess up till you break down, screaming silently at no one controlling you till you burst and then you're useless. But you did it. You made your mark. You might even stain, so it won't matter when you're thrown away. You wash and nothing's changed. The other name for that one is an ode to an empty ink cartridge. Yeah. Right, and now this other one. You were saying earlier, Catherine wheels. You didn't call it, yeah, Brenda, because Catherine was a cow, and I agree, and that's why this is called Catherine wheel. Right. Guy forks out money for powder because he knows she's runny and sour, sweet like chicken. Behind his back she glowered, acting on a mission to find her facts that fester inside her mind. Macbeth and blind to anyone's kind but her own martyrdom, eventually leading to her departure from everything she once held. Dear me, I thought to myself as I wrote this poem, listening to the sound of fireworks, unleashing their stunning passion into the night sky, empty but unclear from a lot of past pollution. I don't need retribution for something that was never my fault.